Keilita, are you ready for Christmas?
What? So you can open your present?
Oh, I like this one.
No way!
Yeah.
No way!
What is that?
Someone was eating out of that.
You?
Guys, today is the first official day of Vlogmas, and you know what that means. We have advent calendars.
Oh, wow.
We have advent calendars right here. I think that's what they are.
Yeah, wow.
It says days till Christmas.
Oh, okay.
What?
24 days until Christmas.
Alright, it's 24 days till Christmas, so that means that we're gonna open an advent calendar. Keilly's still upstairs, but I'm gonna open mine.
Ta-da-da-da. Yay! What do you think it is?
An advent calendar.
No, I know, but
Oh,
chocolate, what?
I see, like countries.
Country.
Wait, what is it though? Ultra Season Pro? What is it?
Open it.
Wait, is it chocolate?
I don't know.
Wait, what is it?
Yeah, open it.
There's 24 days till Christmas, so wait, right?
I don't know.
No, there's not 24 days for Christmas.
There's,
There
Eat it.
is.
It is.
24.
Good morning.
there's 24. Okay. What? What is this?
Those fidget toys.
They are fidget toys.
Oh my god.
Like it.
What the heck? You can put that on your desk.
I would actually use it.
Oh, when you're stressed.
Is
Yeah.
that like a fidget spinner with poppets?
Oh wait, is it a fidget?
Yeah. You know, just spin it.
Oh my god.
What is
No, it doesn't fit in my hand. Yeah, it doesn't do.
Oh my. And what is that?
This is like just a.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At 17 years old.
17 years old and playing with fidget toys.
You play with Legos.
No, when I was like 15.
Oh, wow. Keilita, are you ready for Christmas?
Already. I'm ready for Christmas break.
Oh.
Merry Christmas!
Is that the same one?
No.
Okay, well, I'm gonna open
Well, it was different.
it. Was?
Mm-hmm.
They look weird. They're fidget toys.
Yeah, but it's not the same.
Oh my god, I have 2 poppets.
Yeah, you don't want chocolate this year?
Santa one and a gingerbread one.
Yeah, so excited.
I like this one.
Look at that. That is cool. Ba, 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 ba.
Oh, it works.
Oh, wow. You can bring it to school.
I'm not bringing this.
Anyway.
That was the first
That was the first day of the advent calendar. Stay tuned for 23 more.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I know Keilly and Kendry say good morning and happy Vlogmas day 1. We're gonna start today because today is officially, the light is really bad, Today is officially December 1st. That's why we're gonna start, we're gonna start today, and it's gonna be like day 2, you will see Vlogmas day 1. We're gonna do it this way. You will see this vlog tomorrow, but I'm talking about tonight at 6 p.m. we're gonna post the intro, well, the day that we filmed the intro for Vlogmas 2022. Keilly wasn't feeling good that day, but it was the only day that we were able to film that with all of us. The light is really bad. Right now it is 9:30 and I'm on my way to my sister's house because she called me yesterday and she said, Yelany, I got all my Christmas decor out and this is a disaster. I don't know where I can put everything, that my house feel cozy. Her house is big, guys. It's huge. Today we are going to, at home, maybe Marshall or TJ Maxx. I always confuse to the store that is close to that, and Bell's too, that is in that plaza. I don't know if I can vlog in like this because I'm not able to see anything. Anyway, I'm on my way to her house because I need to see what she has. She sent me a lot of pictures, but it was a lot. And also, guys, I don't know nothing about decor. I'm not a professional. I just like matching things and putting things together, and I will try my best, and I'm excited. And also I have to pick up Keilly and she have to pick up Allison. That's why we just can go until 1:30 or something like that, and I'm late because I was waiting for someone. Anyway, guys, I will see you later because this is so bad, so dark. Stay tuned and see you guys later. Guys, we are here at a home. I'm helping my sister. Whatever we are looking for, there is not a lot. We are trying. I'm looking for something. Look at this. Oh, I like this one. We picked that one. We are done at home, and now we are going to TJ Maxx and Bell's because we need few more things, but we hope
more than a few.
a lot of things, but we are good. We are good, guys.
See better.
Ay, I don't know how to open. Mira, I open.
Ay, sube la ventanilla y es el botón. Just press the button.
Oh, press the button. Oh, okay. Una guajira en un carro Tesla. Let's go. Hello, guys. I'm here waiting for Keilly because today she has to redo a test. Well, she have to do a test that she missed from the time that we went to Colorado. She's texting me that the teacher is not there, and she's knocking the door and no one is there. I'm waiting here, but I had a fun time with my sister and we have a good stuff for her house, and her house look beautiful. Stay tuned for today's plan. I think we're gonna film a video for Keilly and Kendry channel. I want to go to the gym to Zumba class. We ate Chipotle, my sister invited me, and Kendry, I just texted him that he doesn't need to wait for Keilly. I hope you have an amazing day. I didn't buy anything. I don't want to spend money for a spin, and I don't think I need anything else. Stay tuned and see you guys later.
Hey guys, we're back from school. My mom picked me up, even though Kendry could have, but because I had to do a retake. Not a retake, I had to just take a test that I missed on Friday when we were heading to Colorado. And she told me to be there at 2:45, so I had to wait in my mom's car until that time because we get off at 2:25. And then I went back and I was like, the light's on, she must be here. So I knocked on the door, wasn't there. I waited a couple of seconds because she kind of takes a while.
She was taking NHS photos.
She was?
Yeah.
How do you know?
She was taking what?
Because Maddie is in the SGA.
And she said she was in there? Well, that's probably what she was doing. But it was taking so long, so I didn't want to wait. I waited there for like 20 minutes. So yeah, I kept knocking, but she takes forever to get the door. So I was just like, you know what? I don't want her to think that I'm just banging on the door so long. So I waited like 2 minutes before I did it again. So I did it again. Nothing. I checked the bathroom to see if she was in there or something. And then I was gonna go to the front desk, but nobody was there to ask her where she is. So yeah, we just came home. I just drove back. I'm getting so better. So much better.
Mm-hmm.
Is that chicken or tuna?
Chicken.
That looks like tuna.
It's chicken.
Okay. But yeah, my mom's making a buffalo thing, but Ben's gonna come over. We're gonna do a little movie night because my mom has a hot chocolate little thing right there. And we're gonna watch the Christmas Chronicles 2 down here. And yeah, and he said he was gonna give me an early present today. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. And yeah, so mom's gonna make that, I'm gonna eat that, and I'm gonna put on my PJs, and then wait until he comes. So yeah, that is basically our day.
And then we're gonna film after.
Yeah, and
You're
then we're
do
gonna,
homework?
and then I'm gonna do homework. I've been on my game. I literally finished like homework like 2 days before it's due. That's just me. In 7th period, I had a free period, but I was doing some chemistry homework in there. I'm almost done with it, but it's like a lot, so. Anyways, yeah. And then we're gonna film a video. It's making gingerbread. Does my hair look lighter?
Yeah, why?
Because I put purple shampoo.
Oh, see.
Because it was getting,
again.
because it was getting orange again. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Alright guys, so we just had some buffalo dip that my mom made real quick, and I had it with some stale chips because those were the only like good chips, like healthy chips that were in the pantry. Because there are no such thing as healthy tortilla chips unless you have to like just like you have to find that in like really good places. But Ben is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't seen Maddie since like last week. I've been busy. I have things to do. But yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs, change, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'll do some cardio, and then come back here, and then we're gonna film a video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That'll be on Keilly and Kendry. So I'm gonna go upstairs, and I'll see you guys later.
Which movie you gonna see?
Christmas Chronicles.
I saw in these past 3 weeks like 7 Christmas movies.
You did?
Like you watched them or like you
Yeah,
just saw
yeah.
them?
When I'm
What
doing
the
laundry or whatever.
On that one? Which
Yeah.
one?
Oh, a lot. They marry in Christmas. They have babies in Christmas. They everything in Christmas.
Wow.
Oh wow.
We can make cookies, babe.
Okay.
And we can decorate
But
those.
no, we don't have cookies. We have
cookie dough. Huh?
Oh yeah, we have cookie dough.
And we could do my tree. We could do that on the weekend.
We'll see that Saturday.
Yeah, no, that's gonna
Because
take.
you have the weasel, really.
Mm.
Look at that picture off.
So you can open your present? You arrived crop smash. I wrapped
It's good.
quick. 'Cause
It's
I
good.
wanted to get here.
I can see it's maybe your first, second time, third time.
No, that was today.
No, I mean to wrapping.
Oh,
Experience.
I've never wrapped before.
Why?
That smells so good.
He wanted to give me an early Christmas present? No way!
Yeah.
No way!
What is that?
It's from Urban Outfitters. Look how cute it is.
I like it. How he know?
She was looking at when she was like laying on me in the car. She was like her phone was facing towards me. Whenever we were in Colorado, and she was like,
And he
was
took a
looking-
picture of it secretly.
and I like took a picture of it.
It's so freaking cute!
Can you wait for Christmas then?
I can't wait for Christmas.
Look at it!
I was like, can we give each other a present today? And she's like, no. And I was like, I really want to give you one though. She's like,
Because I don't want to give him like the good one. I don't know which one it's in.
No.
Should I just give it to him and if it's that?
That's okay. I don't know which one is. It's okay.
Okay, I'll be ready.
no, you don't have to.
I'll
do
be
it.
ready.
You don't have to.
I'll be here. Just know it's a Christmas present.
You know that's a Christmas present too.
I know.
It's in the Christmas wrapping paper. You didn't even read my.
Ah.
You didn't even read my to and from.
Oh. Let me see. Look. L.
Love of my life.
Ah.
LOML.
From.
I literally
My mom calls
have
me
no
Bubby.
idea what this is.
Mira, Keilly, you say you didn't read this.
You didn't read mine.
To Love of My Life from Bubby. Yes, I did.
Maybe she did. I'm scared to correct it.
Oh, wait.
I have no idea what this one is.
Well, I don't either.
I hope not.
Aww.
You stole that from me.
Stolen from me.
I literally don't know which one it could be. Like, I have no idea. I hope it's not one of them. Cause like,
Macy's? You remember which one you put in the Macy's box?
no, not at all.
Which
Oh,
one do you
wait.
remember your gift?
Okay, this one's fine, I think. I think this is it. I don't know.
Do you want me to stop or?
No, go.
You can look first.
Go.
Build-A-Bear? What did we get from Build-A-Bear, huh? Can you help that? You put so much tape on this.
Very close.
Build-A... Wait, I'm gonna set this all in. Oh, there's a name for it. I'm gonna look at the name first. Rusher
I like that name.
belongs to Benjamin. Does this one have your voice on it too?
No, I tried to. That's why I was looking for the.
Oh. Oh my goodness! This is the one! Oh my god!
Look at the shoes.
Come here! Oh my goodness!
That is so cute.
Oh my gosh! That's the best thing.
Jeez, like that.
No! Oh my!
Now you have 3.
Now I have 3.
The Halloween.
It's supposed to have a scent in it, but I don't smell anything.
Yeah.
I smell
But
something.
look at my. You need Christmas dress.
Oh, that's on mine.
Yeah.
In Colorado.
Nuh-uh. Is that thing you were getting? Oh my goodness.
I want picture. I want some picture there.
Do you like that?
I love it.
Where'd
Of
it
course
go?
I love it. Right?
Because I had
You're
to,
recycling the boxes.
because I had to take out Kendry's present from that box and then put hers in it, wrap it, and then put Kendry's present back.
So cute.
I know. Where you got those top thing?
Michigan, Mom.
When we were in the
When we were in the
airport.
airport.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
8. I have no idea. They're all in boxes. I can't tell.
Yes, because if I put it in the right, they figure it out.
Hi, Gummy.
They like to. Okay, picture time. Look here.
Look, Gummy, look. Call her name.
Kami! Hey, Kami! No, she want kiss.
Gummy, look.
Kami! Kami! Look, look! Ito, mi amor. Ito, my baby. Oh, he's... Yeah.
He's guarding his bone.
Yes. Okay.
Come on.
One.
Look like you want to beat the baby. Baby, look like you want to beat her.
Wait.
Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter.
Do you not put that last one?
The what?
I'm in it for like 2 seconds, actually.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
What you gonna do now?
Should we put the cookies in for
Yes,
now?
that's right.
Yeah. Because
Okay. I know.
I love it so much. Why?
Cut the scene.
Got it.
That's my butt. He has a tiny butt. That was not nice.
Oh, you think you have a big butt?
I do, look.
Oh, wow, that's huge.
That's the pants, it's the pants.
Oh,
Give me some of your leggings. I've had that.
Really? We're making cookies, and then we're gonna start watching it.
Someone was eating out of that.
You?
It probably was.
It wasn't.
That's you.
I don't think
You're
it's
the only person
Kendry.
that goes straight for that right.
I don't think it was Kendry.
Yes, it was.
Nah.
He's not tracking anything anymore. That's him.
Milligrams of what you ate.
What kind of food you cook? Well, she doesn't cook neither.
Anything you may cook, I can cook.
You cook chicken?
I can cook chicken.
No, you cannot.
Yes, I can.
The only you put is a peanut butter sandwich.
Wait.
You get on my nerves today.
Mom!
What?
Wait.
What you gonna do, Keilly?
Do you have those cookie cutters?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, who says I don't know how to cook? Who says I don't know how to
This is
cook?
baking, actually. Not cooking.
Okay, I can bake.
Okay.
It's a form of cooking.
Make a little gingerbread. Man.
That's the smallest cookie I've ever seen in my life.
Aww.
Use the big
Why are
one.
you laughing?
Use the big. Who? Me?
Him.
Someone is gonna be in trouble today.
Yep, Benjamin is.
Benjamin.
That's
How
his
am I in
name.
trouble today? What did I do?
How do you feel about this being the first Vlogmas?
This is the first one?
Yeah.
Oh,
December
Yes.
You're getting on my nerves today, and Vlogmas just started, and you're already getting on my nerves. I don't know how I feel about
What
this.
does that have to do with anything?
It's December 1st.
What'd you expect?
I don't know.
This is getting very, like, wet.
Benjamin, you're gonna be on the 31st in Tennessee?
Like, when are you coming back?
New Year's Day.
Oh, so you'll be here in January. And we have,
Yeah.
like, 8 days, and we only go on trips for, like, 3. So I'm just gonna make a big ball.
What is that?
A ball?
At least make it smaller.
No. Why would I want to make? Wait, make it mushy.
Ew.
Make it
That's
mushy.
nasty.
Make it mushy.
More shit.
I want to watch Alvin and the Chipmunks.
What about the Christmas Chronicles?
Can we watch Alvin and the Chipmunks?
That's not a Christmas movie.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. You texted me today. Can you come over, wear your jammies, and watch a Christmas movie?
Okay, well,
Keilly, I love Christmas movies.
no.
Yes.
I don't want to watch.
Oh,
Love.
I love Christmas
No, you
movies.
don't.
You want to bet?
We're watching Alvin and the Chipmunks.
No, we aren't.
Yes,
Pero
we
que es eso
are.
de Alvin in the Chipmunks today?
I don't know. I want to watch it.
Another day.
Are you not in the Christmas
You say,
spirit?
I love Christmas movies.
I do, but it's like I need it to be like. I need it to be.
Like what?
Never mind.
What is that?
¿Y dónde está la... Eso parece un octopus.
What is that?
It's a snowflake.
Pero y... Oh, okay.
All right. Perfect timing.
Oh. Let me see. We can
You stop.
turn the light. You can be cozy. Like
With the fire.
With the fire.
Cozy. So now we're gonna put on my Christmas mist.
My Christmas.
And now we're gonna put the Christmas cookies inside. I'm saying all this Christmas stuff because they said I have no Christmas spirit.
Do you need help?
No, I'm in the Christmas spirit.
You've been saying that for so long now.
You know me.
What was that? Alright, so pour this into your cup. Get in
Sorry,
the Christmas spirit.
I'm not a Christmas spirit like you.
Scoot back, you can't even see it. So we pour this in.
You just missed your entire thing by so much.
We're gonna pour the hot milk in here.
What?
Pour the hot milk in there. It's gonna be really hot. I don't like that.
Wait. To melt, you need hot.
Ooh, yummy. Yum. Oh yeah.
Stir, stir,
Wait, I
stir.
want one of these straws.
But a straw, it's like for drinks.
I want to drink it in a straw.
Con hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look
Te
at
vas a
the
burn.
straw.
You don't drink with this.
Yummy.
Do you like chocolate milk?
I'm gonna put some white chocolate in there. Gonna drip it. Yeah. Grab a little candy cane. Anyways, we're gonna put on a Christmas movie and
Yes,
yeah.
we are. A Christmas movie, not Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Alright, so we just finished the video. Go and check our video on Zoom on the early Christmas present and stuff. But anyways, I've been doing homework since Ben left. I've done like two math assignments. I did my chemistry notes. So today has been very productive. I saw Ben, made cookies, we made a gingerbread house, saw a Christmas movie, did my homework, worked out, everything. So it was just an overall good day. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned. And see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas. Stay tuned.